Hey everyone, my name is Ligit from the team Ignis, and we are working on the track AI for rural innovation and sustainable systems. The project we are working on is Bhoo Siri. In the Bhoo Siri itself, we have two words: Bhoo means earth, Siri means wealth. So let's come to the problem statement where why exactly Bhoo Siri is required. So as of now, the farmers in our country, they don't take actual their own decisions. They just if they see any pest issue in the plants or something, they just go for a pesticide shop and they'll get some pesticides and so in on it. So internally we don't know are they using the correct and good pesticides, or is it good to land or not. So this is where this comes in, where it enlightens the people that is it good or bad by using that pesticides, what is the repercussions we face, or is it a banned item or something. So this is where we'll show that. And other than that, we also maintain a lecture basically, so where this is just track of all activities in that particular land, so that in future if you are maybe selling it or getting some loan, you can show the proof that this is a very good fertile land, it have proper nutrients in the land, so you can grow anything. So the value of that land can not defined by just a place of it, or we can define based on fertility of the land, because when you sell it you can demand more, or when the person in the next set as well, they can get a information of what is actually is going with the land, is it good or bad before buying. So this is where we are facilitating that thing. We are supporting logging of the data and reports of that particular data, how it is, how exactly that is there. So it depends on the person who is maintaining it. If suppose user don't want to create a record, then it won't create, but if wishes to create it, will enable them to create and get the report of it. And also we give our suggestions that if suppose there is a crop disease, we give our suggestions that what is the best pesticide to it and what all you can do and how to avoid that. And also if user is stuck with identifying which crop to grow now, we also give that suggestion that which is the best suited crop in that particular area or particular location what they have registered with our application, so that they can take an easy decision. They like we narrow down to one or two options and they can identify which is better to them or easy to cultivate. Okay, so this is what the features for Bosiri. So let's quickly jump into the high level system architecture design discussions. So this is how it looks, the flow of the system, where we use WhatsApp webhook and it connects to our backend. Backend will give one of the webhook thing and will just connect to that API of WhatsApp. And from here it is running on lightweight fast API backend and app runner EC2. So then we have Amazon Bedrock, where we are using Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and for better or faster use, we can use 3.5 IAQ. And also we are using Amazon Transcribe, where whatever the user input can be voice. So that voice conversion, that speech to text can be done with Amazon Transcribe, where we store that conversation in our DB also too, because we need to show the chat history that what is it going on or what is coming with it or something. So in our side we are maintaining that, and we also have a list of banned chemical db, where as of now it is a fixed 15 to 16 varieties of data. And also we have one of the service called crxng, which is search engine, where it auto is cron job runs every day or every week to update the database. If suppose a new item is recognized, it can be updated in the db as well. And we have S3, where audio and PDF storage, like when there is a export option happen, we can store the data here, and any audio clips comes in, we can store the data here. And the same thing for Postgres, like for the tracking those kind of stuff, we are doing Postgres database. And once that is there, we have text to speech. Like suppose if in future we are planning to give the feature where if you're not able to tell in or translate in some language, we give in English output plus text to speech, where they can understand in the way what we are speaking, and it sends to a WhatsApp directly the response of it. So an example, I think I would say we start with this, where so let's start. Hey everyone, my name is Ligit. Okay, let's quickly jump into the demo, where I can chat with it like hi. So we'll just get to know, and we also have a
Hello,
transcript where
welcome to
it
Bhoo Siri. I am here
explain
to
it
help you
in
with
normal
farming.
transcript, and also you can read it. And if suppose you want to talk in our local language, you can just say namaskara. So by this now I just give a voice input that namaskara, where the voice as an input went to our backend, and we it is analyzing that input, and it gives output that whatever the above data what you have got, it should be showing the same thing. So it's showing namaskara nanu Bhusiri nimma krishya sahayaka. So it is same thing what you are saying in the English, it just says in Kannada as well. So again now the one more the feature is where it identifies the step, where let's upload one of the insecticide, and you can say analyze this. So by this we are sending an image and sending to backend, and backend will automatically extract the content from the image and understands what which, like, is it a plant or is it just a pesticide, and it will go to the particular DB and understand what exactly the issue. And if suppose if it says that the whatever image identified is that particular insecticide, and it just said it is not in the banned thing, you can use it for your crop. Okay, the same like that, if you want to test it out any banned item, like this is one of the banned item, and you can just send it. So you can just send it, and it just again the same flow where it analyzes the image, extracts the content, now look into the DB, extract the required data from that, and show to you. Where if you see, this is where this is the banned information, and we know what is the best alternative for that, it just shows that. Now suppose you want to see, you can just say a report, type the report also. As of now I just type the report, it just give the PDF link for this. If I click it, it auto downloads the PDF. Yeah, and also you can just say ನಾನು ಈಗ ಟೊಮೆಟೊವನ್ನು ನಾಟುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So now I just give a command that I am planting tomato now, so this record this information. So now the same flow just extracts the context from that whatever voice and try to save in the DB. Okay, so now this is just says that okay I'm doing that for you, and what you're doing Chatuvatike means, then what is the date, and what is it type Rutta, nothing but what is the season we are trying to do. So that's all about now. And if let's see how the report looks like. Hey everyone, my name is Ligit from the team Ignis, and we have a report here. Okay, if you see this, we have activity log, what is created, what is the date, and when is created, those kind of stuff. And generic as of now AI insights and recommendations for our land. So that's it from my side.